Today I'm going to show you how to change an ink cartridge in the Epson Expression XP-8800. On the screen of the printer you're likely seeing a cartridge out here. So we're just going to select next, and it says you can temporarily print in black and white. We hit OK. We're going to go ahead and hit replace now. Now it says we can open the scanner unit to replace the cartridge. Over here on this side of the printer is where you lift up, and you just keep lifting and then it'll lock in place. And go ahead and unwrap the cartridge from its packaging. You want to make sure that you are replacing the right cartridge. We have the X here on the light cyan, and this is the light cyan. Just remove this. And you want to make sure not to touch this chip here. Over here inside, got this one out. And what I found is if you just tilt it slightly this way to get it in, it'll go in and then it'll click. You're good to go. And then we hit completed. And it does its thing. Now we can see that the light cyan is full and it says replacement complete. We are good to go, ready to print. When it comes to disposing of your cartridges, make sure to dispose of them properly. So whatever your local waste management says to do with cartridges, you can recycle them in some locations. So definitely keep that in mind. If you'd like to learn more about using your XP-8800, I have a playlist you can check out right here. All right, thanks so much for watching. Hope this video helps. See you next time.